Apple has just unveiled a wave of groundbreaking updates for Safari, introducing cutting-edge AI-driven features designed to revolutionize your browsing experience. From intelligent search capabilities to a persistent web eraser, Safari 18 is poised to redefine how you interact with the web. But how does this actually work? Let's dive into the details. Well, from what we know, it utilizes Apple's state-of-the-art on-device AI models, particularly the Ajax language learning model. This AI examines the text, identifies crucial sentences, recurring keywords, structural components, and more to identify the central themes. It then condenses all of this into a concise summary tailored just for you. But that's just the beginning. Another remarkable new addition to Safari 18 is Web Eraser. As the name suggests, this tool enables you to easily delete or eliminate undesired sections of a web page with just a few clicks. If you're bothered by banner ads cluttering your screen, you can swiftly remove them. Additionally, distracting images can be promptly eliminated using Web Eraser. And here's the best part. The changes made with the eraser are persistent. This means that when you close the tab or window and revisit the page later, Safari will automatically load it with all your customized modifications already applied. It will remember the sections you removed and keep them erased. Furthermore, Safari will notify you with a small message informing you that the page has been altered according to your preferences in case you wish to revert it. Though, let's acknowledge that the idea for this eraser feature may have drawn inspiration from existing third-party ad blockers and content filtering extensions offering similar removal functionalities. Nevertheless, integrating it directly into Safari itself represents a significant advancement. Now, let's discuss the enhancements to the user interface that come with this update. Essentially, Apple is consolidating numerous page controls and options, which were previously scattered across various menus, into one convenient centralized menu located in the address bar. Functions like zoom settings, content blockers, and extension shortcuts will all be easily accessible with just a click or tap in this new unified menu. This means no more searching through nested settings panels or the share sheet just to locate basic controls. Everything you need will be neatly arranged and readily available from this sleek new menu. It's one of those minor improvements to the user experience that may not seem significant at first glance, but could genuinely streamline your workflow and make browsing feel much smoother overall. Of course, we also anticipate the typical refinements and under-the-hood upgrades with Safari 18, such as more robust content blocking and UI refinements. But let's be frank here, the real highlights are the AI integration features we've just discussed. This marks Apple's full embrace of the artificial intelligence revolution, allowing it to reshape how we interact with information and data. Now, I understand some of you might be wondering, okay, this all sounds fantastic, but what about privacy? It's a valid concern in our data-driven world, after all. Apple has built its reputation around safeguarding user privacy and security, and it appears they're reaffirming that commitment with these new AI capabilities. Based on our current knowledge, the language models and other technologies driving features like intelligent search will operate entirely on the device, utilizing ultra-secure private processing. This means that your data remains securely stored on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac without being transmitted to the cloud or any third-party servers where it could potentially be compromised. While other tech giants gather data for their AI systems, Apple appears to maintain its classic on-device privacy-centric approach in the realm of AI as well. It's a strategic move that could provide them with a significant advantage as trust in AI becomes increasingly crucial. Of course, not every feature that Apple explores during development ultimately makes it to the final product launch. There's always a possibility that some of these innovative Safari upgrades could be delayed, scaled back, or abandoned altogether as the company continues to test and refine them. However, even if not every rumored feature materializes immediately, one thing is clear. Apple is fully committed to AI and positioning itself as a leader in the intelligent experience revolution. These Safari enhancements represent just one aspect of their broader AI strategy, and the rumors don't end there. There are rumors circulating that Apple is developing an incredibly advanced visual search tool. This tool could potentially provide detailed information about real-world objects, products, and more simply by analyzing photos and images captured with your camera. Just imagine being able to point your iPhone at something and immediately receive specifications, pricing, reviews, and additional details. This technology introduces a new dimension to shopping and information retrieval. Now, from what we know, this visual search technology is still in its early stages compared to the Safari AI features. Many questions remain unanswered about how it will operate, which apps or services it will integrate with, whether it will be a system-wide or app-specific capability, and so forth. Apple has remained quite tight-lipped about these specifics for the time being. However, when you start connecting the dots, considering the natural language AI behind intelligent search, the visual understanding models necessary for advanced camera search, and Apple's significant investments in machine learning across their custom chipsets, it becomes evident that we're just beginning to scratch the surface of how AI could reshape their entire ecosystem in the coming years. We're envisioning an intelligent, predictive experience where our devices comprehend us better than ever before. This is a world where tedious tasks are streamlined through automatic summarization and data extraction, where our phones and computers can swiftly analyze the world around us and present that information in an intuitive manner. It's the kind of seamless, ambient AI experience that has long been promised in science fiction, but is now becoming a reality thanks to rapid advancements in fields like computer vision and natural language processing. If these leaks about Safari are any indication, Apple is determined to lead the way as this evolution unfolds. Could this AI-powered Safari 18 mark the beginning of a significant shift in how we engage with data and information? Perhaps it heralds a new era of intelligent, distraction-free browsing and content consumption, where our devices anticipate our needs before we even express them. The possibilities are intriguing. However, let's not get too ahead of ourselves with bold predictions. We're still awaiting Apple's official unveiling of their latest software updates and innovations at the upcoming WWDC event in early June. They might have surprises in store that catch us off guard, yet, if even a portion of the leaked Safari 18 features and AI enhancements are accurate, it seems like a major change is on the horizon for how we browse the web and interact with information. Imagine browser-level AI capabilities for summarization and curated content, streamlined distraction management, unified intuitive controls, and a heightened level of personalized browsing productivity. And this might just be the beginning. These Safari improvements could be just a glimpse of Apple's broader plan to infuse advanced AI and machine learning throughout their entire software ecosystem in the years ahead, aiming to deliver genuinely intelligent, predictive experiences across their devices. Of course, not everyone will embrace these changes immediately. Responsible AI development is an intricately complex matter, rife with legitimate concerns regarding privacy, ethics, transparency, and potential drawbacks that must be delicately addressed. There's still considerable warranted skepticism and uncertainty regarding how the AI revolution might impact society. Whether embraced or resisted, one thing remains evident. Major tech players like Apple are making significant bets that artificial intelligence will fundamentally alter the landscape of consumer technology and computing, spanning mobile, desktop, and wearable experiences. The notion of intelligent AI assistants intuitively comprehending our needs and simplifying our digital interactions may soon become commonplace. All right, remember to hit that subscribe button for further updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.